Let's look at the most common mistakes that happen. Let's look at the most common mistakes that happen when I am escaping from the mounted position using the standard upa. The standard upa. First mistake is that he lets my knee get too high. If he sees my knee riding this high, and I'm high on his chest, now when he lifts his hips, there's no power, right? I just ride that. He's got to get me down over his hips. That means he has to use the elbow and push my knee towards the feet, right? And he can do it on both sides, one by one, exactly. He buries me deep. Other disadvantage here, if the elbow is up and the knee is high, when he goes to hook the foot, he can't. He can't, so he's going to feed the foot to his own foot with his elbow. Exactly, so make sure elbows are down by your sides. Don't let the guy crawl high. Make sense? Sure. All right. Second thing that happens is he holds, he traps the foot, he does everything right, and then when he lifts the hips over the head, instead of rolling to his knees, I want you to intentionally make a mistake now and just collapse on your side. And it lets me free. It lets me free, right? Look, this is what it looks like without a partner. I bridge, and I start to roll, and I collapse. It can't be like this. I have to go directly to my knees. And how do I do this efficiently? Over the shoulder, the smallest part of the body. Look, I just bridge, and it's right to my knees. Lock and lock. Now I'm solid. Now I'm based. Now I'm based. So those are the two most common mistakes people make. The other is they don't free the hook. Look what happens if he's on his back. And he does everything correctly, just like we learned. He traps the wrist with the monkey grip. He traps the elbow with the C grip. He traps the foot. He lifts the hips. And then when he rolls, look at this. Look at this hook. It stops the roll. It stops the roll, right? That's my defense. So what does he do? Let's look. Monkey grip, C grip, trap the foot, leave the knee open. And now when I put my foot up, he hooks. I have to take this hook out. How? I'm going to straighten the leg. Once the hook pops, I'm going to bring the foot back in to the middle. Close to him so he can't rehook me. If I need to, I can reach here like this. Okay? Now I can do the same process. I lift the hips and gravity takes over and I go. Lock and lock. Okay, one more time. You're going to do it to me now. Trap the wrist, trap the elbow, trap the foot. The knee leads a little bit when he lifts the hips over the head, and I roll. I put the hook, so he goes back down. He straightens the leg and swims the leg inside. Now he can go again. That's it. And lock me down. Great. Is that clear? We're good? Sure. Okay, guys, let's give it a try.